I found these two panels at the Dollar Tree, and they had the pumpkin openings at the top. And I'm going to start by painting mine with Wise Owl white primer. I do love to use this primer because I know it's not going to, it's going to prevent the wood underneath from bleeding through. And I found these two more panels from the Dollar Tree. They did have hangers on them. I removed them, and I'm going to put some hot glue on. I'm going to use these two shorter panels, put the two larger panels together and lay them down. So it's going to kind of hold them together as one large panel. I'm going to add another craft stick at the top between the two pumpkin openings. I'm going to start making a jack-o'-lantern face. I decided to take a nose and make a triangle and then make his cutout smile using black paint by Wise Owl. There's lots of different faces that you can make with the jack-o'-lanterns. Then I just put these black dry brushing down the face. I added two of the craft sticks as stems as a stem at the top. These are transfer sticks that I'm using, but you can use the craft sticks. You can get larger ones. Then I'm going to glue some faux leaf and some corn husks at the top. And then I took two more craft sticks at the top and added them and made them a little longer, as I felt like my leaves were covering the first. I'm going to make a buffalo check ribbon and put that at the base of my stem. Then I decided to take the buffalo ribbon and put it in the pumpkin openings. I'm just hot gluing this across the opening on both pumpkins. And then I just took a smaller craft sticks to hold it down and give me some security. And there you go. Now you have this really cute pumpkin that you can lean on your porch. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com.